Subramaniam Shankaran. Every day, okay, AI is posing a bit of a tough to the security researchers and security professionals. And we are seeing what actually was existing as a part of cybersecurity changing every minute. The normal malware has become what is called as an adaptive malware. Okay, the antiviruses that had been existing so far. Okay, so we anyway have an antivirus, okay, which is signature based, which is heuristic based anyway. Okay, at least the heuristic base should be in a position to identify the adaptive malware. What is an adaptive malware? Okay, adaptive is a dangerous malware that keeps changing itself. Okay, in fact, even the normal cybersecurity, out of various types of malwares, we had something called a self-garbling malware. Okay, it keeps on changing itself. Okay, in fact, it has become more worse. Okay, with the evolution of AI. Okay, so what was actually possible without an AI? Okay, that itself was posing a great challenge to security professionals. Now posing a great challenge to security professionals with adopting to an AI. Okay, and what we are actually seeing that every day, okay, we are saying that okay, the hackers are a step ahead, okay, because they work for the bounty and the security researchers work for the salary. Okay, so because they work for the bounty, there are a lot of things that are actually happening. Okay, which needs to be adopted to security professionals after it is actually triggered. Okay, so let's look at the adaptive malware, self-modifying code. Okay, AI polymorphism. It's actually called as. It uses the LLM to rewrite its own source code. So if you know a source code and you are going to flag it as an signature, an attack. Okay, so it's going to change after some time. Just-in-time payloads. Okay, the payloads are not permanently okay with the malware. Okay, just-in-time payload, it compiles or creates the payload as and when it requires. It's a fresh malicious script. So the malicious script at some point of time will not hold good for the next time. It's going to keep on changing it. Behavioral mimicry, it stays on your network, like Trojan. It understands the benign traffic. It behaves as a benign agent or a benign application sitting on the network. Then it shows its true color. Okay, AI-driven evasion detects if running a sandbox or not. Okay. Now, the AI-driven evasion is one of the model evasion technique that we actually discuss as a part of the AI security officer training. Malware alone, okay, is of various different types now. Self-modifying code, just-in-time payloads, behavioral mimicry, AI-driven evasion. We are on 2026 February, okay? Maybe 2027, 28 February. This list will not be with four categories. Okay? It might be 40 or more than 100. We actually don't know because the problem with AI is not only it learns from the data ingestion stage or training, testing, and validation. There is an on the operational learning, okay, which is called the feedback learning. Okay. Now it also learns during training, testing, and validation. It also learns out of the deployment. That's why we have the guardrails to secure the application when it is actually behaving. Now, when it comes to the anti-malware, okay, it learns which is benign, which is not benign. It tries to adjust itself according to the situation. That's what behavioral mimicry is. We are in a very dangerous world with regards to or with respect to the AI proliferation. We need to take care of ourselves. And what I'm saying is not theoretical. We have prompt flux. Okay, it communicates with the Google Gemini 1.5 Flash API to request the obfuscated VBS script code replacement. Okay, so prompt steal, wide link, okay, prompt lock, wide link. Identify this spyware features advanced concealment layers that allow it to disappear if it detected and attempt to analyze its memory. Okay, whenever there's a malware and we are trying to analyze the memory, it says, okay, I'm a genuine file, don't detect me. Okay, in fact, we had a virus which is similar called as a tunneling virus. When it senses that somebody is detecting it, okay, it's going to intercept the instruction and say that I'm a genuine file. Now, without the AI, okay, the malware had been more sophisticated. With the AI, it will be 100 times more sophisticated. We're actually entering an era where we need to equip ourselves dealing with the AI based anti malwares and attacks. Okay. So join us for the AI security officer training. Get equipped the skill to fight the hackers. Okay, cheers then. Bye bye. This is Subramaniam. Stay connected and subscribe. We've got Chief AI Officer, AI Security Officer, AI Governance, Risk, Data Protection, and Responsible AI Professional. Join us for these trainings and equip yourself with all the knowledge and skills to do your work. Cheers then. Bye bye.